If you're interested in learning more basic Junos commands, be sure to check out our Introduction to the Junos Operating System course. For full details, just visit juniper.net/courses and search for the course in the keyword search box. You can also see our complete learning paths at juniper.net/learning paths. Now let's get to your learning byte.
Hello and welcome to the Who's Logged In Learning Byte. I'm Gordon Mosley with the Education Services Department at Juniper Networks. Let's get started. After successfully completing this learning byte, you will be able to determine the currently logged in administrators on a Junos platform, and if you so desire, be able to forcibly log them off using the Junos CLI. As an instructor in Juniper Networks, I would frequently get asked questions by my students such as, if I log into a Juniper platform, how can I tell if there are other administrators already logged in? In operational mode in the Junos CLI, there's a command we can execute, show system users, that will display in a table the currently logged in administrators on the device. After I answered that question, the next one would be, if there are other administrators currently logged in the platform, can I forcibly log them off? And the answer is yes. In operational mode in the Junos CLI, there is a request system logout command that can be used to log off all current administrators. I can log off administrators based on a terminal ID value or their username. Let's see how it works. I have a console connection into an MX80 routing platform, and I want to see the currently logged in administrators. So I can run a show system users command, and in the output I see there are currently 3 administrators logged into this MX80 device. I'm logged in with the username of lab, and I'm logged in through the console port, and my console ID value is, in this case, U0. But as part of the setup for this learning byte, I defined 2 other administrators, our good friends Fred and Sally. Now, Fred and Sally are currently secure shelled into the device, and here are their console ID values and their usernames. Now, remember, I can use both of these values, if I want, to forcibly log them off of the system. In this tab, I can see Fred's secure shell connection. He's logged in, and Fred's happy, and also our good friend Sally is also secure shelled in. So remember, the next question was, can I forcibly log administrators off of the platform? And we saw that we can use a request system logout command, and I can log out all of the administrators. I can log them out based on the process ID value assigned to their connection, a terminal ID value, or specify their username. So let's go ahead and drop the hammer on Fred first, so I can say request system logout user and just simply specify Fred's username. And the output that I receive is that, logging them out is done. Let's go back and look at Fred's secure shell session. Now, in this particular application, it simply notifies him that he's been disconnected. If he wants to, he can click the reconnect button in this application, and he'll have to provide his username and password again, but he can go ahead and re-authenticate. But our good friend Sally is still logged in and working fine. So let's go back and log Sally out now. I'm going to run the same command, but this time I'd like to do it based on a terminal ID value. And Sally's terminal ID value in this example is P1. So I can specify P1 and hit enter, and I can go to Sally's secure shell session and see that she has also been forcibly logged off of the platform. I'm having so much fun, I think I'm going to go ahead and log myself out using the same option. Remember, my username was lab. And so once I enter the command, I can see that I'm prompted to log back in to the platform again. So these are some examples of how we can use the show system users command to view currently authenticated administrators on a Junos device, and also forcibly log them off with a request system logout command. In this Learning Byte, we determine the currently logged in administrators by executing a show system users command, and took an additional step of forcibly logging administrators off with the request system logout command using the Junos CLI. For more information about Juniper's training and certification offerings, please visit our website. Thank you very much.
Visit the Juniper Education Services website to learn more about courses. View our full range of classroom, online, and e-learning courses. Learning paths, industry segment and technology-specific training paths. Juniper Network's certification program, the ultimate demonstration of your competence. And the training community, from forums to social media. Join the discussion.